Hi guys, it's Superpets Andre, and this is actually ironically a back-to-back video. Of course, I just did the DreamWorks Happy Meal toys, just an example. Basically, so let's get started here. So our Jollibee toys are DC League of Super Pets. Now, as I said in the previous video, I said like, why did McDonald's didn't do? And I said also, what's my next video? And now, surprise! So let's start here with, of course, we always start with the loose ones except for the DreamWorks because we started with Boss Baby. So here we have Batman. So, of course, Batman, he popped up in one of my videos last year. It was in February of 2021. I think I reviewed one of the books. Actually, the books of like McDonald's. He popped up in one of the videos. I don't know why I put him in there because I was pretty lack of knowledge back then. I'm just joking. I know a lot back then also. Anyway, so there you go. Now I have no idea why he looks so giggle or so tempted. Maybe he wants to punch an absolute man's face. So the gimmick is you have to put the battering in the back or whatever the heck this is. So, and then you have to make him throw it forward. Wow! First try! I am so lucky and happy. Okay, so that's Krypto. Krypto is of course one of Superman. Actually, he's Superman's pet, and he's actually, I think, ironically, the mascot of Justice League, which is kind of an odd choice. I would like Batman or something. I just noticed that by Miss Alexa back there. So yeah, so his feature, he has a big Superman cape. I can't see if he has an S on the back, but I don't know. You just press the button, he punches. Here's Superman, the main character, and he looks good on there. Now, hey, I want to do that. That's like the best feature in the world. Can you give me that? Give me that. I need that. So, Superman, you have to put him on like here. Is it backwards? No. I think you just have to put him on here and how do you put it? Oh, there you go. And then press the button. I think I have to wind him up. That's what I heard on the internet. And then, yeah! Okay, so we're back putting the stickers. Now that was an absolute pain as well. But stickers are actually putting on toys are actually a pain anyway. So there you go. At least now showing you, and now I'll do the thingamabob. So here's PB the pig. So now how do you? Does she light up? I think she lights up. I can see the light. There's the light. It was hidden by a storm. So you have to be very careful with this. You're not gonna just like do this, like do that. Don't like boom, boom, boom. So this is Batman's dog, Ace the Hound. So I guess that's a pun. Ace Bat Hound. I guess that's kind of a pun. Pun on the face of DC or whoever named this dude. But I actually asked Alexa who created Mr. Ace the Hound here. So how does he work? I just learned that this is it like this, but I think he has a gimmick. But if I find the gimmick, I'll re-record it and delete this particular scene. Okay guys, so there's Wonder Woman, and of course after I show her gimmick, I am going to do a surprise. Can you give me that? Okay, so here we go now. So I think, what do you do? Oh, cool. So you just spin this whatever thingamabob thing is, and she's spinning the lasso. Now I actually have a big action figure of Wonder Woman, and it's absolutely massive. It's like you stack basically two Supermans on top of her like this. Is this Superman? Oh, that's Krypto. It's the Bat Hound. It's the Bat Hound. So like if you stack 5 of these on top, that is absolutely massive. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Now, as I promised in my last video, I was going to do the shoutout. So, si Dada ay pumunta kanina sa Jollibee para sa aming tanghalian. Okay guys, translate that. I'm just joking. So yeah, and big thank you to Ate's friend Kara for commenting on my video on my DreamWorks, of course, answering the the question. It was Dustin Hoffman, I think that was his name or something. So yeah, and yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that this video is absolutely gonna go 1 million views because in my Jolly Bots video. So this goes to A minus. So actually I'm gonna grade these A minus because I absolutely love these toys. I like superhero stuff, although they are very brutal for some baby child's kids, something like that. I absolutely like superheroes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video when it gets uploaded, aka I'm pre-recording this video again. Alright, okay, I just absolutely translated every single thing that happened today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!